Okay, so yes, if you follow me on Instagram, you will know something major has happened. Your girl went and got engaged. So we've got a video, like I'm gonna edit it and put it up at some point on my channel so you guys can join along in our little journey. It's been a whirlwind. Like, I just don't even know what's gone on for the past 2 weeks. Like, it's been crazy. So like filming has just like kind of halted and editing because I've just been like crazy everywhere. Had a week off work and that just got taken up by like celebrating and stuff. So I'm back this week, and one video that I've been meaning to film because I got loads of messages through Instagram when I've done like stories through my other promotions and stuff, where people will just want to know how I kind of get my hair this big and using a mermaid wand. Why is it like less structured? So let me introduce you to this mermaid wand. This mermaid wand I got from Amazon for less than £30. I can't actually remember the actual price. I think it was like 22 or 26, not quite sure, but it was under £30, and that is amazing. Like, you've got all the Mark Hill, you've got all the different Babyliss, you've got loads of different brands that are doing these, and they are like way more pricey. So if you are on a budget, Amazon is your go-to. Like, it's £20, under £30, and it's amazing. The only thing I would say, it only has 2 heat settings. So if I just zoom in here, you can see it's got a 180 down here and a 210, and then the center is off. When it's on, it does have a light here. It also comes like a normal kind of mermaid wand waver with the 3 barrels, and you get a glove with it, and you do get obviously this crocodile clip to help separate your hair. So for under £30, I thought it was really good value. The 210 degrees, obviously really hot, but it's not like burning, so where the hair is like piping hot. So I feel like I don't really need the glove to kind of touch my hair after. But I think if you're prone to burning yourself, then like while touching the wand, then obviously the glove comes in really handy. But I'm just gonna get straight into this week's video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to be notified when our engagement video goes up, and obviously all things like wedding planning will be starting this year. So if you want to follow me on this journey, do not forget to subscribe and keep watching, and I hope you enjoy this video. So what I do is, obviously they have been on heating up already, and I do put it on my table, but I do have a heat proof mat as well, but sometimes I just don't use it. But it does come with a stand on the curling one, so actually it does protect your table or your mat or whatever from the heat to an extent, because it's got this there, so that's really good. I have actually used the GHD heat protection. Again, I'll put the link below so you can purchase that as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the first section, and as you can see, it's quite a large section, so I'm just going to take a little bit more off that, just so we can get a really good size crimp. And what you want to do is you want the 2 barrels to be at the top, so that you kind of don't get that little dent right here. So what you do is I will place it on, and I literally hold it there, because by the time this is heated up, it obviously gets quite hot. So I literally hold it there for about 3 to 5 seconds, and then if I just turn it up so you can see, what I do is, instead of taking the whole barrel out, I will then lift the kind of tongs, and you want to place this wand here where this one was, so it kind of fits within the ridges, and then that way you don't get any kind of dents or crimps in your hair that are not supposed to see there. So you can see I went from there, and I've just put it there where that other wand was, so it will just go like really nicely. And basically you hold it kind of 3, 2, 1, and then again I've taken the top one and put it where the bottom one was, and eventually you will see. I'm just going to move this hair out of the way. And you can see kind of like 3 times down the line, I've actually done that hair width. 3, 2, 1, and I just let go, and you can see that you've got a really nice wave. Like, the wave from this wand is amazing, and the fact that it was under £30 is, why spend money when you don't have to, honey? Like, why? What is the need? So I'm going to show you on like a smaller piece of hair as well. So I'm going to do the same technique, and as you can see, this piece is a lot thinner, so I'm just going to show you what it looks like on a thinner piece of hair, and then also I'm going to do this whole chunk again, so you can kind of see the difference between the two. And obviously you can hold it there longer if you do want kind of more like prominent waves, kind of crimps. However, I do like mine quite loose and kind of like mermaidy. That's the kind of vibe we're going for. And I feel like the longer the hair, that is just like looks really nice, and it kind of suits my hair better as well. So you can see like 3 times and I'm at the end of the length of the hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm 3, 2, 1. I'm just going to take the remaining of this hair from this side and I'm going to put the whole thing in the wand, and you can see you get quite a good chunky bit. So I'm just going to leave it on there for a little bit longer than 3 seconds. You do actually get a glove with this as well, but I'm not using it. I mean, it's in the drawer, so I can use it, but I feel like I've got quite used to now not having to use it. So again, you can see you've got, oh, it's probably really bad. You can see you've got like the little curl coming here, but I do just leave it on longer than kind of 5 seconds, just to make sure that, because it's a lot of thicker chunk of hair, you obviously want a really nice kind of section of curl. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the other side of my hair. I'm going to speed it up. Just done this one, and you can see like how nice the waves are coming out. So obviously when it's all together, it's going to come out really nice. So I'm just going to work through the rest of my hair still. So what I do now is I take my second section, and to kind of get most of my hair done in that, all I want to do is kind of just section off the top bit of the crown round from my head off, because that will just depend on what direction we want the wand to go in, so that you kind of don't get that, you don't get that kind of dent at the top of your head. Oh, caught up a bit. So just pop that in there, and then again I just separate the hair out. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move all this one behind. As you can see, this is a lot more hair to kind of get through on this stage, so I'm going to use a little bit more of a thicker kind of separators. Okay, so as you can see, I've pretty much done most of my hair. I've literally just got the top section to do. So, oh, bless me. I've literally got this tiny little bit to do. So I'm just going to throw all my other hair behind. And this obviously I can do in one. Now to avoid the dent, I hold it up, and that is where I put it in the same way, but I hold it up, so you kind of don't get the dent of like coming down. And I do kind of pretty much just the first bit here while I'm holding it up, just to avoid that dent. And I don't hold it for too long there, just purely when it comes down, it's not got like a huge dent. Then the end of the hair is what holds the rest of the curl. And as you can see, it's quite a thin bit, so it's actually not taking me that long to do it. Just pop that under there so actually you can pull it through. This is probably like one of my go-to hairstyles right now. Like I feel like I'm just loving the mermaid look on my long hair. What are your guys like go-to hairstyles? Like I'm really intrigued. I feel like I'm not great with hair. I feel like I have like a few hairstyles that I just wear all the time. So like if anyone else is good with hair, or like recommends any YouTube channels that are like focused on hair and obviously have like good hair styles for long hair, let me know in the comments, because I want to know and I want to watch some videos. And also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video, because we have more content coming every week as usual, and some weeks even 2 videos on the weeks I get around to doing 2. I've got quite a few new products as well that I've been wanting to try, but I just felt like I needed to break my channel up a bit, because I've been loads of products, and I've obviously got new hair tools that I wanted to try. And on the hair videos that I have done on my few hairstyles that I do wear, I kept getting comments or like messages on Instagram of people wanting to see more to do with hair. But like I said, I'm not that good with hair. I just have like set hairstyles that I know suit me and work for me. But let me know in the comments if there's anything else that you want to see. I try not to have my hair up a lot, or if I do, I try not to have it really tight, because of obviously it pulls too much and there's too much friction then, so I try not to do that. So now that is all my hair done. As you can see, it's quite big, but it gives my hair loads of volume. What I like to do, because I don't like it as neat, I like it a little bit tousled, I will literally just take my fingers and run my hair through kind of like this, just to kind of separate it a tiny bit. And it does remain really big. It gives it loads of volume. I'm just going to show you from the back what the hair looks like. This is the hair from the back. I think it's a super easy hairstyle. It is so effective. It looks so nice on long hair. I actually bought this product when my hair was shorter, and I just didn't like how it sat with my hair when it was short. So I've obviously been using it more now my hair is longer, and I just love it. Like, look how much volume is at the top of my hair. What I do like to go in with after as well, just to kind of, you know, tussle it up a little bit, because it's so big, I feel like it fits all around my head without having to have all my hair at the front as well. And because I like it kind of a little bit tussled, I don't like it like so set, I actually use the Andrew Fitzsimmons Texture Instant Volume Spray, and you can get that from Primark, because it is like a collab he's done with Primark. And I literally just section off, and I will literally just kind of spray towards the end, so you've kind of got that texture through the hair. This smells great. It actually does smell a bit like Lee Stafford products, I would say, but the texture, it's like non-crispy, it's non-sticky, and it just doesn't like catch on my hair a lot, which I really like. So I'm just going to go in and do the other side as well. I try to do it away from my face normally, but... And that is how I wave my hair with my £30 Amazon Mermaid wand. So if you like this video, do not forget to click the thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like I said, for more videos and our ever growing family. I'll see you in next week's video.